So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished, or Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet for the homeowners here. It's a Hansgrohe, and of course they purchased this on their own, and we installed it for them. It's got its own integrated supply lines down here. We did have to tie in some different components. The hot water to the dishwasher. Yeah, so we had to go get fittings for that, tie in, you can see on the hot side. And then a cold side, same thing. We had to tie in the filtration and give you a separate shutoff of the white and blue valve there. These are all John Guest fittings. And then, of course, the brass tees are just regular adapters we use on the hot side typically, but not on the cold unless you have filtration. So everything's tied in. We run water down it. Everything looks good. Got a couple issues with the screen that sits in here in this faucet. So that up in here, there's a screen that keeps debris from getting in, and it gets clogged pretty easily. And I showed you how to just unscrew this and dig it out, and then clean it out, drop it in distilled white vinegar. If you get tired of cleaning it out, or if it becomes a problem, you can remove it, but of course then this will get clogged. But anyways, the only way to clean these things out when they get gummed up is distilled white vinegar. And so outside of that, everything else looks good in here, and we are done.